My daughter.
Yes, Father.
I just called you here to appreciate you for your hard work, your dedication, your sense of humor. Everything that you are doing for this community is being appreciated. I really don't have enough word to thank you. In fact, you have actually made it easy for me to forget the death of my wife. But that is the truth.
Daddy!
You are covering up everything. I really appreciate you.
Okay, well, as the saying goes, a lion doesn't give birth to a goat. You have been a good man and a good father. And I think I have acted accordingly. I just want to appreciate the fact that you appreciate me. But I do not agree with you on one thing. And that is you not missing Mom. That's a fat lie, and you know it. Father, sometimes I see you seated by yourself, lost in thought. And I know your thought is about Mom. But thank you for appreciating me.
It's okay. It's okay. Once more, thank you. Continue with your good deeds. This community will never forget you. Because everybody is seeing what you are doing. I really want to thank you once more.
It's okay, Dad. Thank you too.
What is this? Maidens. Chidema!
Chidema's just right here.
Oh. Hey, Chidema, come. Greetings. Go and tell your parents to give me a bottle of wine. A good one. Let me appreciate my princess.
Okay, since we're talking about celebration, I have something special to tell you. I have a tiny, winning, little surprise for you. It's good news actually, Dad.
What is it?
You know the contract with E&E Corporations?
Yes.
We won it.
You mean it?
Yes, I just got the mail before coming down here. I was actually coming to tell you before you started with the appreciation conversation.
Congratulations to you.
It's okay, Dad. Thank you. Thank you.
It's alright, so I will open it myself.
Thank you, Ebere.
It's a very nice champagne.
Let me see that. This looks good.
It's a good one.
Okay.
My princess, I'm sorry. Honestly, I didn't see you coming. I'm sorry.
You're sorry.
Yes, my princess.
So I am too small for you to notice.
No, my princess, no.
I can say that you're blind. But I'm going to cure that madness of yours.
I'm sorry, my princess.
Lie down.
Lie down. Lie down. Fast.
Lie down!
Lie down.
I'm sorry.
Let me check something. Get up.
Get up. Be fast.
Get up!
Hey, where
Where
you
do you
going?
think you're going? Come back here. You need to fill this cane full of your clothes.
Take it off. Be fast.
Pull your clothes!
I'm sorry.
I said pull your clothes. Am I joking with you? Come here.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, Your Majesty, the new school will be of great benefit to the people of this kingdom. You might be surprised that the children of our neighboring kingdoms will be registered in that school. And just because of our high standard.
Exactly. Oh no. This is more reason I want my daughter, Princess Lizzie, to supervise this project.
She's okay. She's okay. She's perfect for the job. Very, very perfect.
My king, Iwe.
Jane, what is it?
It is Princess Jane. I saw her beating Emeka along the road.
What? Is she mad?
You can go.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
What is wrong with this girl?
But, Your Majesty, please just calm down. Eh? Calm yourself down. We will handle this issue. Please calm down. As soon as she returns, we will talk about it. Please. Huh?
Why is your face like this though?
Someone told me on my way coming back, someone told me they saw Princess Jane flogging Emeka so badly.
What? Where? Why?
I don't know, he didn't tell me anything. He just told me that they were beating Emeka. I don't know. He didn't tell me anything.
I'm going to the palace right away.
No! Brother, you shouldn't go there. You going there is going to cause more trouble. Let's just wait for him to come back. He will explain to us what happened. Yes, please. Let's just wait for him.
Well, Father, I think that's the best thing for us to do right now. If we have the
Jane, come in. How dare you go about beating people on the road? What gave you the audacity to do such stupid act?
Father, who gave you such information?
Did you do it or did you not do it?
And who are you talking to?
I don't see any fool standing behind you.
You do not have any right to speak to me. Father, I just taught an idiot a lesson. So when next they see any princess of this kingdom, they will salute properly as it should be.
So, you mean you humiliate somebody publicly for mere salutation? Do you even realize that respect is reciprocal?
Oh, Father, respect is respect. I do not have any business reciprocating it to commoners. They will learn and know their boundaries in this community. Excuse me.
She is mentally ill. She needs to be good. And you have to do well. You have to inform her. Let her know that in Ziploc life, we are all involved. This madness must stop.
It's not a problem, Father. I'll have a word with her. Don't let it bother her, okay?
Oh. Please leave. You're not permitted to be here.
Listen, Jane. I'm not here to fight or quarrel with you. I'm only here to talk to you as someone I love. Jane, you know what is right and what is wrong. All I'm asking is that you retrace your steps.
Sorry? Who are you to tell me what is right or wrong?
Your elder sister. One who loves you very much.
My elder sister or father's favorite princess. You don't need to act like my late mother because it does not suit you. You look so comic and funny to my liking.
Okay. I'll take that as a compliment from a kid sister. But I need to let you know, Jane. People are complaining. You are not treating them right. Girl, you're supposed to be a role model to them and not a tyrant.
And who are those people talking trash about me? I need names.
Not important, sister.
It is important. Because they all need to know their boundaries and know how to talk to people.
You should learn to do same too. Treat others the way you want to be treated. You can talk trash to people and expect them to speak nicely to you. All I'm asking is that you be nice to these people.
Please. Leave. You overstayed your welcome. I said leave!
Okay, you don't need to scream. I'm leaving.
Go away. Your presence irritates me.
Alright, Jane. Take good care of
you. Igwe. As we all know, the kingship of this our great kingdom is hereditary. But when there is no heir to the throne, the kingship is transferred to another lineage, except the princess marries a man assigned by the gods.
Well, I've not heard from the chief priest who is assigned.
Igwe, we have to reach out to the chief priest on this aspect.
Yes. We do no such thing. I've always known the chief priest to act as the gods instruct. We don't need to visit him. No. He will bring the message at the appropriate time. Trust him.
My elders, he will reach out to us whenever he heard from the gods. But rest assured, the kingship will remain in my house.
Well, I heard all you discussed. I support whatever the gods decide.
My princess, who invited you to this meeting?
Well, Father...
Who authorized you to see that?
Well, I'm sorry, but I can still stand to deliver my message.
Please get back inside your room.
Go inside there, princess. It's okay. She's our doctor.
Ichoka, did you notice what Princess Lizzie displayed at the palace this afternoon?
Yeah, I did. But she means no harm.
There's problem in the palace. The king don't have a male child, a heir apparent to the throne, and the two princes he has are not behaving normal.
If you ask me, Princess Jane is the one that is behaving abnormal. As for Princess Lizzie, she has a clean heart. She's just funny.
Well, I think so. Everyone in the kingdom loves her. Her heart-kindedness and jovial. I wish for her, for the gods to grant her a good husband.
You say...
Oh, come here. Just wait, let me bring a small something for you.
My princess, the king demands your presence.
Get the hell out of my door.
My princess, the king ordered me to bring you now.
If I open that door and you're still standing there, you will not like what I will do.
Open the door. Jane, open the door. off that nonsense. Put that thing off. It's like you have lost your senses. I summoned you and you disobey my orders, making me walk all the way to come and meet you. Do you know the gravity of insult you've labeled on the ground?
So, Father, I cannot have my leisure time in this house.
Your music was so loud and it was disturbing the entire peace of this palace. Why don't you get a headphone to avoid this nonsense?
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Father. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Listen and listen very good. Your scores are being counted. I do not pay blind eye to your negligence. I will rough handle you if you don't drop your stupidity. Don't try me. If I ever hear this kind of noise again in this palace, you will face my wrath. Stupid.
Come here.
I'm coming back.
Stop. Are you mad? One more word from you, I'll cut off your phone. What is wrong with you? Are you alright? Are you mentally drained? Is something wrong with your brain? So you could not lie to my father that I was sleeping. Rather, you were busy telling him that I don't want to come and answer my father. Does that make you a smart person?
No, my princess.
Good. You know what? I'm going to plant some sense into this your fish brain. Yes, that is what I am going to do to you right now. And don't even make a move from here. I'm coming.
You mean you haven't seen my sister?
Yes, I haven't seen her since this evening.
Alright, it's okay. You can go.
Okay, my princess.
Hold it. What's the meaning of this? I have been calling your phone non-stop. You wouldn't pick up your calls. Why?
Am I indebted to you? Huh? Why are you calling me? Why?
Oh, well, you're not indebted to me. I just wanted to make sure that my sister is fine.
Well, as you can see, I am fine. Thank you, princess.
And why do you have this young man here? You know he's not supposed to be here by this time of the night.
Him?
No, me.
You're delusional. It's none of your business. Get out. Go to your house.
Jane. Jane! You and I know that you're not supposed to be with any man until you're married. What is this man doing here?
To hell with you and your stupid custom. Let's go. You want my father to see you? Get out! I said get out!
Alright.
Oh my God.
Can I at least take your back?
You're crazy. You're crazy. You're mad. I said get out! Out! Get out! Oh my God, what have I gotten myself into? Jesus Christ. I hope you did not touch me. Be fast too! What's it for? Be fast! Get out!
Oh no.
Your Majesty.
What was the report of the last thing?
Majesty, it was a successful one. Very successful. Their king was delighted seeing us at the event. He was honored.
That's good.
And he even promised that he's going to visit our kingdom very soon.
Come here.
Greetings, Your Highness.
Who are you and what are you doing in my house?
I'm Mr. Mike, Your Highness. A friend to the princess.
Which princess?
Princess Jane, Your Highness. Your daughter.
And one thing I would like to know. When did you arrive here?
Are you deaf?
I came in last night with the princess. Gas! Please forgive me, Your Highness. I'm so sorry.
Gas! Gas!
What?
Take this man away. Please.
No man, please, move! Please! Forgive me. Move! Forgive me, Your Highness.
Move!
Forgive! Move, please! Forgive!
This is ridiculous. Princess Jane.
Hey.
Jane,
Father.
how dare you bring a man into my palace, defiling yourself? You are a disgrace. You should be ashamed of yourself. A princess who is supposed to be an epitome of morals and chastity. If such news gets out of the palace, who would want to be your husband? A deflowered princess. How long have you been doing this?
Father, I own my life. No one has the right to tell me how I should live it.
Princess Jane.
What?
You don't speak to your father like that.
Oh, shh! Know your boundaries in this palace.
You are a fool. A highly categorized idiot. I wouldn't want to think that you are walking out on me.
Your Majesty, this is outrageous. What kind of nonsensical behavior is this, Your Majesty?
Okay, so Father, it goes all the way from this point and then it ends here.
This is wonderful.
Thank you, Father.
I am highly impressed.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm glad you like it.
I am pained as much as I'm happy. You and your sister are two opposites of a coin. You bring me happiness, and your sister brings me sorrow. I don't know how to deal with her issues. If your mother were still around, she would have known what to do.
What has she done again this time, Father?
Your sister is no more pure. She brought a man under my roof without fear or remorse. I don't know why I am blessed with such a stupid daughter.
Father. Listen. You know you cannot question the gods, right?
But I can no more keep silent.
Where is she now?
How would I know? She walked out on me in the presence of Ono.
Okay, listen, Dad. There's something I want you to understand. You're a good man. And a good father at that. There is no daughter that is bigger than her father. It's impossible. I know I've spoken to her 1,000,001 times and it still hasn't changed anything, but I promise to talk to her. Okay?
It's alright.
Don't let it bother you, please.
It's okay.
You're welcome. One surprising thing, this project is actually dedicated to you. Yes, Dada. It's in your name.
That's wonderful.
So, I'm changing the name here.
I came here to talk to you.
You came to talk to me? What matter of interest could make you think I would stand here and exchange words with you?
It was my brother you beat up the other day.
Oh.
I came here to let you know that things like that should not happen again.
So what? You want to fight me on his behalf?
I'm not here to fight you. I came to warn you.
I bet you think you're going to... Don't fight me. Hit me. I'm standing right in front of you. Do it, you're a man.
Let me go.
What if I don't? Every dipshit in this kingdom must lie in their place. Disrespect is way too much and I can't take it anymore. Huh? What is it? What is it, golden girl? Why are you obstructing my path?
Did the hunter go for another hunting today? Why don't you retrace your steps? This is not good for you, you know?
No. I see you and father must have gossiped so much about me. You should be happy with yourself, golden princess.
You know, I'm glad that you are old enough to know what is right and what is wrong. If I were you, I would stop this. I'm certain if mother was here, she would have been totally disappointed in you.
Don't you ever talk about my mother like that. Allow the death to rest in peace. Don't stare me.
Are you triggered? I'm asking, are you? See how you have made a total caricature of all the morals mother embedded in us. You should be ashamed of yourself. Golden princess, don't you ever say that again.
What happened? What happened to you?
I went to see the princess that beat Emeka up the other day.
She went after the princess. After I warned you to leave her alone. You know she's insane.
I confirmed how insane she is today.
But you know it's not going to end here. She will definitely come after you.
I know how to take care of myself.
Just imagine what you're saying. Brother, what kind of thing is this now? Brother!
Emeka, you talk too much. We have been here since. I beg, let's go.
But wait, before we go, let me finish up this last one now. Honestly, that Princess Lizzie is a real gem.
Another one, another story.
Yes. Yesterday, I heard she visited the community school. So she met with the children, shared gifts and everything. They were all happy. You know, everybody in this kingdom likes her. I mean, we wish she was a man so she could inherit the throne. But unfortunate for us, she's not. And unlike her sister is just troublesome, complete opposite of her.
You know, everybody in this kingdom knows already that Princess Jane is not fit to be called royal blood.
Do you know that she fought my brother yesterday? Simply because my brother confronted and said, like, why did you beat up my kid brother? She bounced on him.
Just like that.
For no justice, she just bounced on my brother.
The same way she fought you.
Seriously. Just like that.
Now, if I'm to describe that your brother, in fact, I'll call him Samson. Why will he have the courage to go and confront Princess Jane, the devil herself? You people have mind.
How?
She could have killed him without any trace.
Yeah, killed who? I think to kill somebody is easy.
Let me tell you the truth. To kill may not be easy, according to your thinking. But to those in power, it's very easy. Just within a snap of the finger like this, anything can be done. They can do and undo at any time.
So you think it's only them that have power, Abi?
Please, don't just pray for trouble.
Well, I beg my brother to stay off her path to avoid her. But she should also avoid us too.
Better. Emeka, it's okay. Eh? If you are not going, I'll just leave you. Enough of this matter. She should appear. Your brother should just do this. Imagine a grown-up man.
Ositadimma, choosing one. Be prepared, for the dynasty of this great kingdom shall soon rest on your shoulders. Be prepared! Be prepared!
Greetings, Your Highness. Your Highness, someone just came into this place now saying that he saw Princess Jane beating up someone along the road with a guard.
How do you know? Let me see the person that
The person just left immediately after delivering the message.
Really?
Okay, Your Highness.
What is wrong with this girl?
I say lie down properly.
Next time he sees any royalty, he will accord some respect.
Hey, stop that nonsense! Princess! Why have you chosen to embarrass this renowned young man like that? What has he done to you to deserve all this? This flogging, why?
Oh no. Next time you obstruct my instructions, I will flog you myself.
What? You will flog who?
You heard me. You. Do your job.
I say lie down. Lie down properly.
Flog him!
Please.
Stop it!
Please.
Flog him!
I said stop it!
I said flog him!
I say face the ground.
Stop!
Oh no!
I say face the ground.
Your Highness!
No. What is just that?
It's Princess Jane. I found her flogging a young man, Osita, the flute man.
Oh no.
Princess Lizzie told me she left the palace with a guard. So this is the reason. But where is she and why didn't you stop her?
She paid deaf ear to me and even threatened to give me some strokes of the cane if I ever disrupt her orders again.
She said that?
She said so.
A child wishes to flog an elder without knowing the implication attached to it. Oh no.
Your Highness.
I want to see that young man.
Igwe. So sorry, my dear. The entire palace is sorry for what the princess did to you.
Although you're here.
Oh yes, the king will like to speak to you in person.
You're asking me to come to the palace?
Yes.
After what the princess did to me? Would that not result in more trouble?
Although
my family and I are in pain, and we do not want to have anything to do with the royal home anymore. Please.
Listen, the king has handled the issue. I will advise you to honor the invitation of the king. It will go a long way for you.
I'll think about it.
Okay, please.
For now, I'm still nursing my wound.
Okay, please think about it. It is well. Sorry about the whole thing. Take good care of yourself.
It is so unfortunate that a member of the royal house will treat her subject with so much hatred. How can you be a good leader if you don't love your people? From your story, my son, you and your brother suffered abuse from the hands of the princess, thereby painting the royal house black. Oster, my son,
my king,
from the depth of my heart, I apologize on behalf of my daughter. Please, find a place in your heart to forgive her.
Thank you so much, my king, for your kind words. I'm a man of peace. I entertain people with my flute, make them forget their sorrows. I consider myself a peace carrier. I have nothing against the princess, as far as she does not hurt my family.
So that it won't happen again. We want to assure you that my sister will never hurt you or any member of your family ever again.
Thank you very much, my princess.
You're welcome.
Oster, to compensate you for the traumas, we have a gift for you. But before that, will you accept to entertain us with this your flute?
I like it. It's all glad that's my king.
So that we can forget our sorrows, as you said.
be a pleasure to entertain the royal house.
Nobody's going to sleep in this house. Nobody. You think you can lock me up here? There will be no peace. I am going to burn down this house, burn myself, burn everyone in this house. Nobody's going to sleep. Nobody's going to sleep.
So the king is a nice man for real. He did all that for you.
I was surprised myself, you know, giving me so many foodstuffs as gifts, you know, bags of rice, gallons of oil. He also told me that he will always call me to perform, you know, blow my flute at any occasion they have, at least to earn money. Yes.
Pico, remember me, oh. Hey, this one, the sun is about to shine on you. Do not forget me, oh.
The sun is not about to shine. The sun is shining already. And why would you say a thing like that? Why would I forget you? You're my #1 dancer now. You've been in front of the whole thing dancing. Wow.
Chai, thank you, my friend.
You're welcome.
I am always active.
I believe you.
But wait, you. So the stupid act of Princess Jane finally turned around to a blessing for you.
That's what they say sometimes. You know, some misfortune could be your fortune in disguise. That is blessings in disguise.
Hey.
That's the thing. Eh?
I am so happy for you, my brother.
Thank
More are on their way coming.
You say.
Hey! I'm happy for you, my brother. Now, some of those things that the king gave to you now. At least.
Don't worry. I kept one bag of rice for you.
Yeah!
1 gallon of oil for you.
Man, thank you so much. I'm happy for you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
What happened?
Princess Jane refused the food.
Why? Why would she want to eat then?
I don't think she wants to eat anything now.
So you mean she wants to starve herself to death in that room? No, she has to take something.
Except to serve her yourself, but she has already made it clear that she will deal with anyone who enters her room with any food.
Okay. Your Highness,
What is it?
Princess Jane has refused to take any food given to her.
So, if she refuses, that means she's not hungry. When she gets hungry, she will order for it.
All right, Your Highness.
Princess.
Greetings, Uno.
I wasn't expecting you.
Yes, I know. And I'm sorry for barging in on you like this. Yes, I actually came here to ask for something very important.
What is it?
It's about the young man, Osita, the Ojaman.
Osita?
Yes.
Okay.
I don't know how possible it will be, but I need his address. I want to pay him a visit.
Oh, that is not a problem. You should have told my daughter, and she will just take you directly to him. Ada? Ada?
Papa?
Come here, come. That is a simple thing.
I'm sorry for the stress.
No.
Welcome. How are you, Ada?
Ada, please take Princess to Osita's house.
Okay.
You know the place very well. Please do that. You want to go now?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
My
and I have a
princess.
little something for you.
I can't wait.
Emeka, Princess demands to see your brother Osita.
Oh, princess.
Oh, you're Emeka?
Yes, my princess.
It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Your brother narrated your ordeal to my sister some days ago. I'm sorry about what happened.
Well, my princess, I'm glad I'm fine. As for my brother, he stepped out not quite long ago.
That's quite unfortunate. I thought I was going to meet him at home. I really wanted to see him, but it's okay. Just kindly tell him that Princess was here to see him.
Of course, I'll do that, my princess.
All right. I'm hoping that when next I come, I'll meet him at home.
Hopefully, my princess.
And don't forget. Okay.
Bye, my princess.
Okay. Bye.
You are back.
Yes, I am.
Please stay longer than I spoke to.
Oh, my apologies. I had to stop over to see, what's his name again? Osita, the Ojakari, yes.
Anyways, it's all right.
Okay.
We have more pressing issue at hand.
It's, okay, what happened? Are you okay?
It is your sister.
What's wrong with her? Is she okay? Is everything fine?
She has refused to eat. Rejecting every meal we brought to her.
If I understand you clearly, she's upset?
She should be upset with herself, not with anyone else.
Well, I'm glad you understand that, Father. Father, let her be. Let her have a time. I'm sure when she's hungry, nobody would have to beg her to come out of her room. She would definitely come out. Moreover, nobody dies of hunger. After all, Jesus fasted for 40 days and 40 nights. Is that why you're worried?
She's still my daughter.
Father, calm down. Hunger doesn't kill anybody. She will survive. Daddy, she will survive. Take it easy, Father. I'll just need to shower and then... Jane, how long will you continue like this?
You think you're strong and familiar with me. You think I can't harm you. You're playing with fire.
Girl, why do you like to fight every time? I'm not here to quarrel or to fight. I have just come to tell you that I made something really nice for you and it's on the dining table. If you intend to lock yourself up here and starve to death, sister, that's not going to end well.
You're blind. You think I will eat and have the strength to continue the suffering and humiliations in this house over my dead body?
Okay, so sister, do you want to kill yourself? Do Do you want to die of starvation?
You know, I don't know what gives you the mindset, the guts, that I will ever listen to your trash. Now listen, tell your father to give me back my freedom, else there'll be war in this house tonight.
You know the funny thing, you're very smart. But you tend not to pick things easily. Girl, your freedom is in your hands. If you want your freedom, go and apologize to your father. It's that simple.
I have done no wrong to warrant an apology.
Really?
Leave. Get out of my room. I said leave!
You don't have to scream. Don't shout.
Get out.
You're not in the barracks.
Out.
Meanwhile, the food I made for you is still on the dining table. Don't waste my...
I said leave!
You don't scream. You're a princess.
You are stubborn. Stubborn because you never see something.
What's that?
Huh? Welcome. Thank you very much.
But someone came looking for you.
Someone?
Who? Well, the good news is, it is Princess Lizzie.
Did she tell you why she was here?
Nah, but that is the bad news. She didn't say anything. She only said she was looking for you.
What was her mood like? Was she happy? Was she angry?
Well, the truth is that I want to ask you, did you do anything to offend her? So I will know if we should be scared or worried.
Do anything like what? I didn't do anything now. I'm just asking because, you know, the royal house can be very funny.
But I don't think we should be scared though, because from what I've been hearing, she's a nice person. And from our conversation, she seemed nice.
I heard the same thing too, but you don't judge people until you have close experience with them. Huh?
Well, let's just, until she says she's going to come, Sha. So when she comes, you'll see her.
It's alright. See, I'm hungry. I hope there's food in this house. I hope you didn't finish everything.
The egusi soup is still remaining, so I'll just make garri for you.
Please come and make garri, Sha. So, but tell you also to sleep. What was fine? Greetings, Ezebo.
The other man will soon be announced for the greatness. Greeting to the chosen one.
Ezebo, chosen when? How?
Because the gods have selected you for the greatness. Greeting.
You're here. I've been standing here watching with you. Anyway, sorry for keeping you waiting. Had to tidy one or two things at home before coming.
I don't know, I just had a fun dream. I had an encounter with the Ezemo.
What happened? What business do you have with Ezemo?
None that I can remember. I don't have any business with him. But in that dream, he said something about me being the chosen one. Chosen by the gods. I don't understand. And he was so serious about it. The dream looked so real.
This is serious. Anyways, you have to keep your fingers crossed. You know the word of Ezemo never falls to the ground. Okay?
The word of Ezemo, it's just a dream now.
Just keep your fingers closed. Make we match.
Let me get my flute.
I know.
What is it? Who is after you? Who is after you?
It is Princess Jane. She held one of the guard hostage, threatening to slit his throat.
What?
If you're not brought into
Where is she?
She's in her room.
Princess, what's the meaning of this?
Meaning of what? You lock me here like a prisoner, expect me to be cool about it? Huh?
Drop that knife and allow him to live.
Hell no. Not until you nullify this punishment.
I did it for your good. You have to know how to respect others and care for them.
Well, Father, I have learnt enough, and you can see it yourself.
Drop that knife, Jane. I set you free.
Hell.
You can go anywhere you want to go.
Hell no, Father. It wasn't so hard for you to do it. Until I leave here.
Oh, well, somebody decided to come out of her room after all. How nice.
So you wanted me to rot in there, don't you?
Oh, my dear sister, no, why would I want that to happen? But of course you know I didn't mean it that way. Come on.
Well, the real princess is back. Not that you cannot take my position. Deal with it.
Okay. Enjoy your meal while the fake princess will be outside just in case you need her for
I go play this your game, oh. I go play this your game. It takes
I can hear it. Alamania. Hey, man, I can't drag on man. In Afunja. Yeah. Hey. I can't drag on my man.
I'm telling you.
My princess.
Yes, hi.
I greet you.
Hello.
My apologies for disrupting. I couldn't help but listen to you play.
No, I was done already. Yes, I was done.
I see. And you play so well.
Oh, thank you.
I didn't even
so
want
much.
you to stop.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
I don't know if your brother told you that I came looking for you.
Oh
so-
yes, he told me you came looking for me. I hope all is well.
Yes, everything is fine. If you don't mind, can I talk to you privately?
Privately. Okay.
All right.
After
Hi.
you.
Bye.
Okay, bye. Oh, I didn't even know when you stopped playing. I was in another realm. This is beautiful. It's like the most beautiful thing I've heard in a long time. And you're very good at it.
Yes, Oja. Thank
Yes,
you.
Oja.
Thank you very much, my princess.
I don't know if this is too much to ask, but do you mind doing this for me often? Like, I call you anytime and you play for me.
I don't mind. I'll be honored to always entertain the princess whenever she wants it.
So whenever you need me, just call me and I'll come and entertain you.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm going to be Oliver Twist right now. I want more.
No problem. I'll just play more for you.
Okay.
Was here today. Yes, she wanted me to play Oja for her.
Bob. Sharp.
What's the meaning of that? Bob, sharp. What's that supposed to mean? Huh?
Brother, do you know if I say this thing and explain it to you, it means that the money you used to marry your mother is wasted now. See, but let me tell you, once a woman's hand coming close to a man, clock it. Now love.
Now I've told you to stop jumping into conclusions like this. Stop jumping up and down into conclusions. Eh?
But I'm nervous. I'm sorry.
Sorry for what? I didn't tell you I was angry. I'm not angry. I'm just trying to be realistic here.
What you're saying is true, Sha. Because just imagine it. High princess and local German. It doesn't... Sorry. International German and high princess. But, brother, do you like her? Sorry, do you want to eat?
Greetings, Father.
Greetings, my daughter.
Hope you slept well.
I did. Are you stepping out?
Yes, Your Majesty. I'm looking for Princess Lizzie.
Oh, she went to see somebody.
She has been going out a lot lately. Who is this mystery person she has been going to see?
Is that what you think of her?
Never mind. I will talk to her when she returns.
It's okay.
See you later. My sister just left here long ago, right?
Yes, my princess.
Good. I want you to take this car key. Make sure you trace her without her knowledge and get back to me.
Alright, my princess.
A classless page. But I never thought you were a church rat. A peasant. Moving around flying with a dirty commoners.
So what do I owe this insult?
Lizzie, the same idiot that made my father ground me in my own room for days is the same person you are moving around with. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Huh? You're a disgrace to this crown. I thought I was a nasty one. And you were the kind, liked princess. You're a pig. Yes, and you need to grow up. You need to grow up! You're a princess, for goodness sake.
What's so fascinating about me that you always want to sniff me? Why are you following me about?
Well, I have learned that you have been moving your stinking leg going to Osita's house. And I had to find it myself. But I was disappointed at you. Knowing too well that you do go there.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
You know, when you said I should not make your houses, but you are the man moving into your houses. Yes. You're busy acting like my mother, making me feel like I don't know myself anymore.
So Jane, I'm going to say this one more time. Whatever I do with my life is none of your business, but mine. I would advise you stick that tongue into your gutter-infested mouth. Else, you know I don't talk too much. You won't like.
Oh, you will not do anything, princess. Listen, it's my business!
Man, wait you. Are you sure this girl is just being friendly with you or there is something else?
Something else like what? Of course, she's just being friendly. What are you thinking? Please don't even go there. We can't have anything. Me and the princess. Are you forgetting she's a princess? The royal blood. It's not possible.
Well, you are right anyways. But her closeness to you is something you can place a close observation to.
My brother, there is nothing to observe. There's nothing there to observe. I just enjoy her company, her niceness, she's very funny too. There's nothing there to observe, my brother, trust me.
Boy, you are falling in love already. One day use your head though. So you will end up doing something that you will end up regretting.
It's just an innocent friendship. Decent friendship. Which one is falling in love? Please, that's...
And my whole love now, okay, same which one is falling in love.
You like to think too much.
Wise one. Wise one.
Your Highness.
You are welcome. I see you brought message to the throne.
Yes, Your Highness. Your long-awaited news. The gods has made their selection. One among your daughter must marry my husband to succeed the throne, or else the crown will move into a different lineage.
Who is this man? Wise one.
He's a gifted young man, ghost named by Osita Dimma or Jaman. He must be invited to the palace as soon as possible to choose among your daughters. Whoever he chooses must accept him in order for coronation to be valid.
Thank you, Chief Priest. I will inform my council members.
As soon as possible, Igwe.
Hello. 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 Hello.
It's your car for. It's your car for. Hello. What is it? This one you are sounding like this.
No, the Igwe summoned us to the palace.
Eh?
I heard the chief priest was there today.
What did he say?
And when we get there, we'll find out. Let's go.
Oh, let me go and check.
Let me go and check.
I called both of you here for a very important discussion. The fate of this kingdom lies on what I'm about to say.
Father, I hope there's no problem.
What is it? Busybody? Did they call your name? Allow father to talk. Let him finish.
I have no heir to this throne. A situation both of you are aware of. And the custom demands the girls will have to be a man who is select from my daughters. And if he aligns with any of my daughters, he will be crowned the king of this land.
Father, has the gods selected anyone?
Ositadema, the Ojaman.
You say? Osi waiting? Osi gini?
And whichever one of you that he chooses will be his wife and the queen of this land.
Nonsense. This is nonsense. Unacceptable. Rubbish.
So Father, that's what the gods has decided?
Osita, the king and the council of elders have ordered for your presence in the palace.
Is there a problem?
We will get to find out when you reach to the palace.
You must follow us now.
All right.
Yes,
Hello, how is you?
No, fine, Your Highness. We call his name.
My king, my elders, greetings.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Ositadema, my son.
My king.
You must be wondering the reason why you are summoned here.
Yes, my king. I'm really wondering why.
I have observed you for a while, and I can see clearly that you are a very good man. The gods do not make mistakes. In fact, the gods has chosen you to be the heir apparent to this particular throne. But one thing, you must choose one of my daughters as your wife, who will be the queen of the kingdom.
Your Majesty, I'm sorry. I don't think I got that clearly.
My son, you have been chosen by the gods to be the next eagle of this great kingdom. But you must marry one of his daughters to seal your coronation.
Me? Oja boy? Me? An ordinary Oja boy? Who knows nothing about royalty? How?
My son, the gods are the true kingmakers, not men. If the god have deemed you fit, then you are fit for the job. Don't worry. The gods knows you better than you know yourself. You don't have problem.
Father, you need to make an adjustment to what the chief priest said. That thing that calls himself the fruit boy cannot be the heir to this throne.
My daughter, the gods has chosen him, and no man born of a woman can change that.
father, you are the king of this kingdom. You have the right to influence anything.
I have to disappoint you, my princess. There is nothing I can do about this.
Wait. This is unbelievable. You mean you will become the next king of this kingdom once the Igwe passes on?
On the condition that I marry one of the princesses.
Hey. Now it is making sense to me. This is the reason why the Ezemo appeared to you in your dream. Yeah. This is the best news I've heard all my life. Igwe Osita Demma. Wait, Chelokwa, where does that place me? I'll become the right-hand man of the king.
I am not a king. In fact, I don't know how to be one.
But Igwe pleaded with me so to keep the kingship in the bloodline. Now you cannot reject this. Bah. See, rulers are not born. Rulership is of the heart and the head. You have the potentials in you. You should be lucky that the gods found you worthy of being the king and chose you. Eh? Your focus should be on the princess, in whom soon who shall become your wife. You
don't understand.
It depends on the age you can got out.
What do you want? What are you doing here? What do you want?
I only came to apologize for my actions towards you and your brother. It was unwise of me. I'm so sorry. I was wrong. I'm sorry.
Why now? Why did you choose to apologize now?
Sober reflection. I have thought carefully and I think I just have to come and apologize. I am so sorry. But please, can I just take you on a tour? I won't take much of your time. Please.
Maybe some other time. I'm busy now.
I'm sorry. I promise I will not take your time. Please. Forgive me. I am sorry. It will never happen again. I'm so sorry. Please. Thank you.
My princess.
Oh, Dad. Greetings.
You are too quiet. What is the matter?
It's nothing, Dad. I'm fine.
No, you are not fine. I can feel it from your voice. Tell me, what is the problem?
Do you know, Dad, I don't like the idea that a man will just walk into the palace and make a choice between my sister and I on who to marry. It feels like we're some cheap commodity in the market. Anybody can just walk in, make a choice and goes home with us. It doesn't make any sense to me.
It is not that, my daughter. It is the tradition and custom of our land. Yeah, right. You don't have to worry yourself about that. The gods are wise. And I'm sure the gods will direct him to make the right choice. Do not worry yourself.
Oh, Emeka, I left him at Mama's place. He'll see me back.
Okay.
Brother, is that a new clothes?
Yes. Princess Lizzie bought them for me.
Princess Lizzie bought this for you?
Yes.
I don't understand. Was she here?
She was here.
Don't tell me you welcomed her. Princess Jane gave you this and you accepted. Brother, don't tell me you're considering choosing her. She's not nice, she's wicked.
Listen to me. The people you think are not nice are actually the nicest people on earth. Those ones you think are nice are just pretenders. Don't ever forget that.
Where are you coming from?
Excuse me the hell out of you.
Don't make me to repeat myself again. I said, where are you coming from?
Why do I have a need to tell you where I am coming from? Are you intentionally being stupid or delusional?
Fine. You have all the right to go anywhere you want in this kingdom. But you see the resident of Osita, stay clear. You hear me? Stay clear.
Jane, did you smash your head somewhere?
Stop making fool out of yourself. Osita will choose me as his wife to be. It has already been ordained by the gods. So do the needful.
The same Osita? The one you call the church rat? Really?
Lizzie, look at me very well. I am not smiling with you. Stay away from Osita or get ready for war. Excuse me.
Play this your game, oh. I go play this your game. It thinks that not only you wise, oh.
I'm confused though. I'm confused. I'm confused over Princess Jane's sudden change in character. Overnight, just like that.
What about Princess Lizzie? I thought you liked her.
I prefer Princess Jane.
Yeah. I doubt that. Has she not been nice to you before you found out about this?
I prefer the rascal over the quiet one. Yes. That might be love. Have you not seen people who beat people they love publicly?
Well, you have a point. But still, you have to choose the right person.
You're right. It's my future we're talking about here. Whosoever I choose will be with me for the rest of my life. So I have to make the right choice.
You can't eat your cake and have it again. On the possible, on the possible, on the possible, on the possible.
What is going on here? Why is my food not served?
It will be ready, my princess. Don't give me a few minutes.
I should give you a few minutes. If I return and my food is unserved, I'll skin your life.
Yes, my princess.
Animal. And be fast about it.
Yes, my princess.
You are stubborn.
Where is our princess going to the food class?
Father, I made this for someone so special to me.
Oh.
Yes, Father. Osita. Yes.
I thought you hated him.
Well, what is said back then was not hate, Father. It was intimate love. I thank the gods for making it so quick.
So?
Excuse me, Father. Lizzie, what are you doing with him? Have I not warned you to stay off this compound?
Well, the last I checked, Osita didn't say anything about you. Or am I missing something here?
You're sick in the head. Get the hell out of this house. Get out.
Osita, what's this?
Oh, you had no idea how far we would have gone, right? How I took him shopping and now make meals for him to eat. So sorry.
Is this true? You what?
Please excuse me.
Osita.
Good girl. Bye.
My princess. What is it? Why are you this cool?
Father, I'm not happy. Jane has succeeded in taking Osita away from me.
Were both of you dragging the young man? Anyway, how are you sure about that?
Father, he has gone out with her. She even took her time to make food for him. Chased me out of his house and he just stood there speechless, like he was under her control.
It is okay. A man is hurt. is complex. Don't beat yourself about that. You should know that you are priceless. Any man who wins your heart has won himself a good. I am not sure of what you are saying, but if that is the truth, do not worry. A man who is suitable for you will come.
Thank you, Daddy. I'll be in my room.
Brother? I just saw Princess Jane leaving this compound. Yeah. Brother, I know when it comes to things of the heart, I'm still a small boy. But brother, honestly, I'm not in support of this. Of all people, not Princess Jane now.
What if I tell you of all people, it is Jane I've got feelings for, and not Princess Lizzie?
But I tell you, you're joking, because honestly, I do not believe you.
You have to believe me because I do.
No, brother, now. Have you forgotten so soon? After all she did to us.
I've forgiven her. I advise you do the same.
Brother, what did she do to you?
What did she do to me? How? Huh? This is real. This love is real. Okay? Like you said, you know nothing about matters that concerns the heart. Let's leave it at that. So let it be.
You can have him. Sorry? What did you just say? I said you can have Osita. I won't continue having a fight with my sister because of a man.
Good choice. Because if you do, you will lose shamefully. I am glad that you choose your fight wisely. Smart girl.
I wish you both the best.
Man! Thank you, big sis.
Who is there? Is anybody in?
Who's that? Yes. What do you want?
Osita. Princess Lizzie sent me to you.
For what?
She demands you have this. Thank you.
Buy love. You only earn it.
hope you like it.
Oh, I love it. It's so nice. Can I tell you something, my princess?
Okay, what is it?
I'm in love with you.
Really?
Yes. I don't know what you did to me, but it's all making sense now. I love you.
And I love you too. We were destined to be together.
Yes. I think we're destined to be together.
I am glad to have you.
Me too.
Okay. Let me feed you. It's okay, alright.
Thank you.
Alright, welcome.
Tell the guys to lock up everywhere. I'm going up.
Yes, Your Highness. Good night, Your Highness.
Father, Father, I'm so sorry for taking your time, but please. Father, I need your attention. I want to talk to you.
It's alright, you can go on.
Thank you for your time. Father, we have to start making arrangements concerning my wedding to Osita.
Have you finalized with him and he agrees to marry?
Yes, Father. As a matter of fact, he has confessed his love for me.
I'm happy for you. Congratulations.
Thank you, Father. Thank you so much. Thank you.
But you have to tell him to formally come to declare his interest in marrying you.
Sure.
We'll proceed.
Sure, I will do that. Definitely he will come with you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Daddy, good night. Bye. Oh my God, I am so excited. Oh my God. I just... Jesus Christ.
My brother. Yes. He has his own problem. Maybe he's still angry at you because of what you did to him.
Oh my God, that's true. I am sorry. So sorry.
It's alright, I'll talk to him. I'll try and talk to him.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
There's something I want us to talk about.
Okay, I'm listening.
It's about us. Our future. I want you to come and make your intentions known to my father. I want you to come and tell him that you want me to be your wife.
I thought we're still getting to know each other.
Oh, yes, but we can actually do that in marriage.
I don't think that's the right thing to do. I think we should get to know each other first and then marriage.
I want to ask you something.
What?
Do you love me?
Of course, yes. I love you.
Fine. Then, I want you to come and make your intentions known to my father first thing tomorrow.
Very well then. My princess, your wish is my command.
Okay. Thank you. Let's go.
You're welcome.
Father, please wait. Father, what is going on? You both did not conclude on the wedding date? Because I don't understand. Is that how they plan a wedding? No, tell me, Father, because I'm lost. Tell me.
Did anyone say anything about a wedding?
Why else did I invite Osita over if not for the wedding plan, Father? Why else?
Princess Jane, you were there while we were discussing. The young man did not say anything as...
Oh, please, Father. That is because you were busy distracting him to play Oja for you. Yes.
Is that so?
Yes, that is it. Yes, that is it. That is it.
It is well.
Father, I don't just like this. I don't just like it. I don't like it at all. Yes, and you need to do something because you are the king. You have the voice. You need to speak. Fine. Fine. Okay, fine. Father, please tell me. What am I going to do?
It's like you've realized yourself. Anyways, wait. When the young man says his intentions, we know how to proceed.
I don't understand, Father. It's just like that. I should just wait just like that without doing anything. But is that all you have to say? I should just relax? Just like that?
You are heartless because you never see something. By the time you go see something, oh, now your eyes go kill you. By the time they go show you pepper, now your eyes go kill you. By the time you go meet your match, now your eyes go kill you.
Brother. Guess who I saw today?
Who's that?
Princess Lizzie.
Where did you see her?
At the site. My God. I've never seen such a devoted lady in my life. She's so humble. She cares so much about the welfare of her people. I'm telling you, right now she's currently handling a project. A long-lasting one. A massive one for that matter.
Why are you telling me this?
Brother, I'm trying to tell you, you're making a mistake. Your heart is wrong. Just think.
Osita, why will you always like to see my bad side? Why?
What have I done?
You're asking me what you've done? When I invited you to the palace, did I ask you to go there to play Oja? Did I ask you to go there to narrate your life history? No, I did not. But you chose to go there to narrate your life history to my father instead of you to go there to tell him about our wedding preparations. Listen, you need to go back there to amend those mistakes.
My princess, calm down. You're so angry. Calm down. Relax.
No, don't tell me to calm down.
I'm going to do this. Besides, it's too late for you to be here.
Okay, fine. You know what? You need to go back to the palace and tell my father exactly what brought you there. You need to go there to change this whole thing.
It's alright, fine. First thing tomorrow morning, I will do that. Okay?
Better. Please, you just have to. I don't want to repeat myself again.
My princess.
Father.
Is the young man still coming?
Yes, of course.
But you look impatient. Are you sure he will be here?
Father, he loves me. I am sure he will never disappoint me. He will be here.
Perhaps you might have misunderstood him.
Are you with me or against me, Father?
Why would I be against my daughter?
I have told you, he's going to be here. I don't just know why he's taking much time. But I'm sure he'll be here. I'm very sure.
It's okay. I'll be waiting.
Where are you taking me to? Oh, God, relax. My princess, you asked your guards to abduct me.
Yes, I did. Are you playing with me?
Why would I play with you now?
We agreed that you're coming to palace, but we did not say you.
My princess, just give me 2 days. Give me 2 days to come to the palace and make my intentions known to the king and his cabinet members. I'll come. Just give me 2 days.
So, I should trust you?
Yes, trust me.
Okay.
I go play this your game, oh. I go play this your game. It thinks that not only you wise, oh.
But that was uncalled for. She shouldn't have sent her guys to come pick you up like that. Guy, that girl has no atom of change in her. She's still a bully. And you have to put her in her place.
Her attitude is what makes me like her the more. I like it.
Oh, don't make excuses for her. She's out of the line.
The choice is mine to make. I know exactly who I'm going to choose.
Why do I have this feeling that you have already made your choice?
Relax. You meet my choice on that day. Trust me.
It's okay. But whatever decision you make, I pray it favors you.
I know what I'm doing. Relax.
You still wanna have it again.
My princess. Yes. You haven't said anything about the declaration day. What would you like to wear so I can get it ready before then? What declaration day are you talking about?
You haven't heard yet? Princess Jane just told the king that the Ojaman has agreed to declare the selection in 2 days' time.
You know what? You don't have to bother about making anything special for me.
My princess, are you sure?
Pretty sure.
Okay. Thank you, my princess.
We go play this game together.
You have to inform the cabinet members about the new development. It's very important.
In 2 days?
That was what my daughter, Princess Jane, told me.
But then it is more appropriate for the information to come directly from the horse's mouth.
Well, honestly, two of them, Jane and Osita, has been too close in recent times.
I expect nothing less, of course. But then, we need to be certain concerning the date before any formal informations or invitation, Your Highness.
You are correct to know. In that case, you have to visit the young man. Okay. Let him give you his word on this. It's very important.
I will do exactly that. Whatever comes out, you will be the first to know.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. All right. Your Majesty, I'll take my leave now. So you are confirming the date the princess gave us?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will relate to the Igwe about it. It is confirmed?
Yes.
All right, okay. Because whatever decision you make now will stand all through your reign.
Thank you very much, It might look confusing, but trust me, I know exactly what I want. I want a fierce queen. One who can stand the storm when it comes.
Okay. I understand. Okay. On that, we will be waiting. Just take good care of yourself, my son. Okay?
Thank you very much.
The gods be with you.
My princess.
Yeah.
This one looks good.
Yes, it's fine.
Okay. My princess. This one also look good. Blended with this.
Now you know more. Is something wrong with your brain? How do you expect me to merge this with this? Take it back.
Sorry, my princess.
Sorry for your useless self. Let's see this one.
Ebere.
Yes, my princess.
Please, I'll need you to get some laundry done for me, okay?
No problem, my princess.
Excuse you? She is busy doing something with her soon-to-be queen. Go and do your laundry yourself.
Well, I'm sure the soon-to-be queen wouldn't want to look old on her very special day. You should put some smile on your face. No one is fighting with you. I've only asked her to do the laundry when she's done with you and not now. So take it easy, sister.
Sorry, she is not done anytime soon, okay? Go and do your washing yourself. Don't be a lazy brat. Hey, bring this thing for me, I will slap you, are you mad?
Sorry, my princess.
Hey, madam. Let me have this.
Mama,
My son,
there's something I want to tell you.
I am listening, my son.
The gods have chosen me to become the heir apparent of the throne of our kingdom.
Osita,
Mama?
are you serious about this?
Yes, Mama, I'm serious about it. And on the condition that I pick one of the daughters of the Igwe as my wife.
Hey, have you made your choice on both princesses?
Not yet, Mama. But soon I will.
No problem. Oh, Obaru na nechegbu onwe m, Chinechere m, Obaru na nechegbu, Ezichukwu nechere m, Obaru na nechegbu onwe m.
I would like you to meet someone very special to me.
Okay. Who could that be?
My mom. She's blind. She stays with my sister at the outskirts of the village.
Why do you want me to meet her? You can bring her over to meet me.
Did you not hear what I said? She's blind. We can't be moving her up and down.
Okay. If that will make you happy, when do you want us to go and meet her?
We can go today. If you don't have anything you're doing, we can go there. Please.
It's okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let me just finish this so we can go. Hey.
Where is she?
Yeah, she's here.
Hey. Princess, my daughter, you're welcome.
Thank you.
What is your name?
Princess Jane.
Princess Jane.
Yes, Mama.
Were you not taught to greet an elder when you see one?
What's that supposed to mean?
Relax now. You're talking to my mother.
Okay, fine. You asked me to come and meet your mother, right?
Yes.
I've seen her, so can we go already?
Just like that.
Yes. What were you expecting me to do? Babysitter? Come and meet me. I'm off.
Off to where? We just got here.
Please, get me out of this place. Meet me up. I'm leaving already.
I don't understand. You're leaving already?
That girl will not make a good wife, you know. You know this.
I know, Mama.
Then what are you still doing with her?
Mama, she's the same princess that flogged me publicly and embarrassed Emeka.
Then why do you want her?
I want to bring her back in her own country.
That is if she doesn't kill you before the time.
Mama, she cannot kill the next king of our kingdom.
Mm.
She has got nothing on me. Don't worry, Mama.
Mm.
I've got this.
I know, Elanya. It's a battle.
Brother, you're still sitting here thinking. I hope there's no problem.
No problem. I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. Yeah. Where is Ugo now, Emeka?
Oh,
where's Emeka?
Emeka?
Yes.
He's on his way already. He said he will meet us there.
On his way already?
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah.
Hey, Ago. You are looking so fashioned today.
You know now.
Yeah.
It's the day. Hello? Yes, we're on our way, my princess. Alright.
This lady cannot just wait to be your queen.
Let's go now, let's go.
Ikena, you have to stay back. Take care of the house and prepare some food for, celebration when we come back. Just stay back. Just take care of the house.
You are welcome.
My others.
You're welcome. That is good. You're welcome.
Thank you.
It's not enough.
Your Majesty.
I am happy you made it. My elders, today is a remarkable day. A day that the gods has ordained in their infinite wisdom. Today marks the beginning of a new era. The beginning of a union between my household and the Kenga lineage. Ositadema, my son.
Your Majesty.
You have accepted the dynasty of the rulership of this kingdom by selecting one of my daughters as your queen. You have known my two daughters, Princess Jane and Princess Lizzie. Now, the floor is open for you to make a choice among the two.
Your Majesty, my elders, my family. I, Osita Dimma, will make his choice. And I choose Princess Lizzie here to be my queen.
What? If I hear you well, did you say you choose Princess Lizzie as your choice?
Your Majesty, Princess Lizzie here is an epitome of royalty. A queen the people deserve. I choose her.
My son, come and kneel.
I can't take this nonsense.
Princess Lizzie.
Excuse me, Father.
Lizzie.
What is it? What exactly do you take me? A plate one? You think after everything you put me through, I am just going to run into your arms?
It has always been you, Princess Lizzie.
That is a lie from the pit of hell and you know it. What is this you're doing?
It has always been you, Princess Lizzie. I have loved you from the first day I set my eyes on you. But I knew it was impossible for an ordinary Oja boy like me to get entangled with a princess of this kingdom. Not until the gods made a way where there was no way.
And what was that with my sister? Do you know what you put me through? You broke me. And you stand here to talk about love. That was pain.
Trust me, Princess Lizzie. This has nothing to do with competition. And for the pain you speak of, I promise you I will cure it forever.
How?
For your case, I must love her. If I see this kind of girl, I go love her. Because of Lizzie, princess in woman, you are so special. For your case, I must love her. If I see this kind of girl,
come with me.
Because of Lizzie, princess in woman, you are so special. Lizzie, woman, so beautiful and kind. Princess in woman, you are so special. Lizzie,
Now that both of you have aligned with each other, I have to please you. Your marriage shall be fruitful.
He said,
Your arrange shall flourish.
he said,
You will have children.
he said,
Both men and women.
he said,
Unity, peace and love shall reign in your marriage.
he said.
But we didn't see that coming at all. Yeah? You told us that Princess Jane was the one you love. Why the sudden change?
You are funny. You're very funny. My brother, we're talking of a life partner. Someone I'm going to spend the rest of my life with. So you expect me to make a mistake about that?
Hey, Ago, you played us, so.
So it's not my intention. You know, I was trying to be sarcastic about the whole thing, but you people were becoming too dramatic. So I decided to play along. It's all good.
Now man, you be my brother. Congratulations to the newest heir apparent to the throne.
Now you're talking this is my true brother.
Where's Emeka?
That one is enjoying himself.
Where?
You went to that guy's house over there. I think that was where I saw him.
Any small thing he will branch. I don't understand.
Emeka is dropping life. It's an enjoyment more.
Princess Mama, you are so special. Lizzie Mama, so beautiful and kind. Princess Mama.
I am talking to you. How did you convince your sister to choose you instead of me?
Can you get your filthy self off my face this minute?
Oh, sorry. I am not leaving until you tell me what you did. He said he loved me. Yes. He took me to see his mother. He gave me so much hope. How then did you get into the picture? So you lied to me. Huh? Guards! Guards!
Yes, my princess.
Oh, you think the guards or father can save you from me? Wake up from your sleep, because it's not going to work.
Get this trash off my face this minute.
Okay, my princess.
If you dare move an inch, I'll smash your head. Are you mad? And as for you, I am not done with you. I will be back.
Hey Cinderella, if I were you, I'll be looking for a cheap bridesmaid to hold on to my girl because you're in for a big form. Have you eaten? My thoughts exactly. You are not just lazy, you are also hungry. Get out.
My princess, what's the matter?
Father, I'm not happy. I never had intentions of living like this. Having to fight with my sister every other day. Now she hates me so much. I didn't even know Osita was going to choose me.
It's alright. It's very clear you are the person his heart desires. Osita may have been forced to succumb to your sister's biddings for a while. But a man knows where his heart lies.
Okay, Father, how do we take care of this? I just want to be at peace with my sister.
She has to accept the reality of life. Her behavior is never your fault. It is her issues. She will learn to change and adapt to circumstances.
Are you sure about that?
I am. Do not let her fate disturb you. After all, she still has a chance to change her life. If she wishes to do so.
You think so?
I believe so.
Okay.
It's all right.
Jane, I would like us to have a conversation. Listen, am I talking to you or is that...
Or what? No, Lizzie, or what? Have I not warned you to stay off me? You snatched the only man that I love. The only man that I have agreed to spend my life with. What else do you want from me? Tell me.
It seems like I'm missing something here. If I remember vividly, there was a young man you brought to this house who you claimed to be in love with. Mike? Are you forgetting that?
Me?
Yes.
Princess Jane.
You know exactly what I'm talking about, Jane. Don't feign ignorance, please.
You know, Lizzie, you're insane. There's something wrong with your brain.
Well, from an insane individual, I will gladly remind you that you told me that you carried out a pregnancy test and it came out positive. I decided not to say anything to father because I wanted you to do it yourself. Ding ding. I know, right? Okay, so I'm ready for the meeting. I need to leave now.
What about the proposal and the budget?
Oh, that you asked like you don't trust your daughter anymore. But everything is on point. I'm definitely sure these investors will sign this deal once and for all. We're good to go then.
I trust you, my daughter.
Thank you, Daddy.
Go away.
Alright, so I'm
Go away.
Meanwhile, let me get some royal home. Alright, Daddy, see you. And be good, take good care of yourself. Okay, Daddy.
Your Highness, a call from Princess.
Oh, Princess Lizzie. Hello. Who are you? What? Guards!
What is this?
Kidnappers.
What?
They have abducted Princess Lizzie.
Oh my God! Father, you're lying! Please be serious for once! Can you be serious?
Yes!
What are you talking about?
They have abducted Princess Lizzie.
Oh my God! What are we going to do now?
Take the driver along with you. Sweep everywhere in this kingdom. Go and search for my daughter and bring her back here now. Did you hear what I said? Yes. Move!
Father, please let me go with them. I'll make sure I bring her back, please. Oh my God! Jesus Christ! What's going to be happening?
What is wrong? Where is my daughter?
on her car. And her scarf stained with blood. But look at it. She has been murdered.
Hey! Hey! Onye mere m ihe a? Hey! Whom have I offended?
Father, my sister was murdered. Father, we need to do something. Who could do this thing to my own precious sister, Princess Lizzie? But I will just kill myself or I'll kill myself. Just do something.
What of her body?
Your Highness, we couldn't find it.
You mean you couldn't find her body?
Yes, Your Highness.
But I will be offended. But I will just kill myself or I'll kill myself. Just do something.
What are you doing here? You're the least person I expect to see today.
There's trouble in paradise.
Trouble?
Yes.
What kind of trouble?
A grave one and your presence is needed.
What is it about this trouble?
My son, my orders. What happened to my queen? It's so unfortunate. I cannot wrap my head around it. Everyone is in shock right now. Everyone. I need to know what happened to Lizzie. Can someone please talk to me?
We assume she's dead.
Huh?
May the gods forbid.
Princess Jane, how can you say something like that? Huh? She's only missing. She's not dead.
Oh no, it is evidently clear. Her car was found with blood all over her scarf. So I don't think she should have survived the accident.
Until her dead body is found. We keep our fingers crossed. The Igwe received a call from an individual that happens to have apprehended her. And since then, we have not received any other message from them. If it's a kidnapped case, they will ask for ransom. But nobody is asking for ransom here. Nobody. Which means she's still alive. She's alive. Huh? What about the blood she's talking about?
At least someone is paying attention to me.
My son, we can't say for now until we gather enough evidence. The police are on this matter. The gods will take control. I believe so.
Of course. She's alive. I believe that. Huh?
it's ready.
You can eat my own. I am not hungry.
Father, you need to eat something. You've not eaten since morning.
I said you can take my own. Do you think the table is my problem now?
Father, you need to take something down to your stomach. You've not eaten since morning.
Princess Jane, please get out and leave me alone.
Fine.
Allow me to rest.
I go play this your game. I go play this your game. It thinks that not only you wise. It thinks that not only.
I did not get any feedback from you. Are you sure you carry out the task?
Yes, it's done.
So you're trying to tell me now that Lizzie is dead?
Wasted as proposed.
Good. Can I see her body now?
There's a complication with that. The boys harvested her organs for sale. There's nothing left of her.
You should have told me before carrying out such tasks.
I'm sorry about that.
Good. Okay.
And what about our balance?
Consider our organs your balance. Excuse me.
You eat your cake, you still wanna have it again. In love, you see, no pilama. Get you, I got no good. In love, you see, you can't eat your cake and have it again. Impossible.
The lion himself. The way you have lost so much weight. You have to be strong. Your daughter might still be alive. Huh?
What proof do you have to back up your claims?
Hey.
For the fact that we have not seen a dead body, that is enough evidence that she's still alive.
I've waited for hours, expecting a call for ransom, but to no avail. I doubt whoever took my daughter took her money.
Igwe, we have to keep praying. The gods will hear our prayer. Igwe, be strong. Ago Kebu, Abogidi. You have to be strong, Igwe.
Nothing will happen to us.
I go play this your game. I go play this your game. It thinks that not only you wise. It thinks that not only you they sharp. I go play this hard game. We go play this game together. We go play this game together.
Emeka.
Obina.
Sorry for keeping you waiting.
Obina, I want to know, why did you ask me to wait for you here at the first place? Under the sun, why?
Emeka, please. I just want you to come with me. I want to show you something now.
You want to show me something?
Yes.
What could that be?
Emeka, this is not time for all that. I want you to come and see this thing by yourself.
So
and promise not to speak out, please.
You're making me scared now. Can you just tell me?
Emeka, please. Let's go. Please.
You still wanna have it again. In love, you see, no pilama.
Oh no.
You're welcome, princess.
Thank you. Oh no.
I'm hearing you.
It is over a month since my sister died.
That's true.
We all need to move on because life will always move on. It is time for us to let the people of this kingdom that their soon-to-be queen is no more. And I, Princess Jane, will take over her shoes. Am I right? Or is it not our custom?
Yes, Princess, you said it right.
Good.
You actually said it right. Which simply means that Osita, the heir to the throne, will have no other option than to take you as his queen. Isn't it? Except he wants to forfeit the throne.
Oh no, he will not.
Okay, all right.
All I want is for us to proceed every rite and preparation for our wedding and seal the coronation.
Okay. I will discuss with the elders and the Igwe, and as well as Osita concerning this matter.
All right. Thank you so much, Onowu. I'll be on my way.
Okay. Thank you very much. Osita, it is the custom of our land that in a situation like this, the surviving princess succeeds her sister's place as queen, making her your wife. But then you have every right to decline, thereby declining the throne as well. I know it's a very tough decision to make, but at the same time, a choice must be made, my son.
Has my queen been confirmed dead?
For more than a month now. If she was alive, we would have gotten a proof. But there's nothing. And we can't continue waiting. We can't be waiting. So, at this point, we have all concluded her demise.
It's alright. I'll marry Princess Jane.
It's okay. It's okay. May the gods bless you and see you through.
You see.
And help you.
Thank you.
People of Akama Kingdom, I greet you all. Today is a great day of celebration as we join Princess Jane and the chosen one in matrimony as one body and one spirit. Princess Lizzie, as you all know, may the gods rest her soul. She was supposed to be crowned as the queen of this great kingdom before her untimely demise. But I believe that the gods in their wisdom knows the best. But as custom demands, Princess Jane now will be crowned as the queen of this great kingdom. As we join Princess Jane and Osita, the Ojaman, also known as the heir apparent to the throne.
for.
So my daughter is alive. So you are alive?
Yes, Father, I am alive. My sister here had paid people to abduct and kill me to take my own life.
What?
But unfortunately, I survived.
Sit down.
Sorry. Please, just let me go.
I should let you go.
My father is the king of this kingdom, and he might get you arrested if...
Wait, are you threatening me?
No.
You are threatening me?
No.
In my own territory?
I'm sorry.
Come on!
Please.
Keep quiet!
Please.
I'm not here for joke. Thank you.
Please. Whatever the person... Sorry. Whatever the person paid you,
What? You did this to her? You run her mouth too much. I should make her torture her small. Are you okay? You dey grace? This is Princess Lizzie! The same woman I told you that saved my dying mother many years ago! Don't tell me you didn't recognize her! You mean Princess Lizzie that people are talking about? No wonder Princess Jane refused disclosing the identity of our target. You know what? Let her go. I said let her go!
Okay, fine. My balance.
Your balance, you say? Are you okay? Your balance, you say? Bro, let her go!
Calm down, please. Calm down, please. You are safe.
Where am I? Where is this?
You are safe from where you are. For now, my brother found you struggling out of the bush. But now he's on his way to the palace to inform others of your condition. Please.
No. He shouldn't go to the palace.
Don't worry, just calm down.
No,
just
it will
calm down.
endanger
Just calm down.
It will endanger my life.
Just
What is this?
Emeka,
How is this possible?
what are you doing here? Who are these people?
My friend Obi not told me.
Princess, you are a good woman and nothing will happen to you. Okay?
The people you had paid to kill me, the people I had helped in the past. All thanks to my goodwill. Unfortunately, your plans did not work.
Liar! Liar! What proof do you have? Father, she's trying to frame me.
Proof or no proof, my dear sister. See this crown? It will never be yours.
Liar!
So after everything, you still attempted to kill your sister in the presence of everybody. Eh? Gas! Take her out of my sight. Move. Move. Push her.
Leave me alone.
Move. Move. Move.
I go play this your game.
People of Akama Kingdom.
I go play this.
Cha 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 Akama Kwenu. Akama Kwenu. Akama Kwenu. The gods are wise, as they should have been, ordained by the gods and accepted by the chosen, by the power vested on me as the king of Akama Kingdom. I pronounce them husband and wife and heir apparent to the throne of Akama Kingdom.
Ta ta ta, open up pockets!
I go love you, for your case, I must love you. If I see this kind of girl, I go love you, because of Lizzie, princess woman, you are so special. Lizzie woman, so beautiful and kind of princess woman, you are so special. Lizzie baby, so beautiful and kind of. I go love you, Lizzie, for your case, I must love you. If I see this kind of girl, I go love you, because of Lizzie, princess woman, you are so special. Lizzie woman, so beautiful and kind of princess woman, you are so special. Lizzie baby, so beautiful and kind of. Lizzie be thanking Obia Makawa. She is so special. Her heart is pure. Her lifestyle is worthy of emulation. Apoloni wene webugi, if Lizzie weba munio. Apollo no be the ginja, if Lizzie weba munio. Apoloni se amari go, if Lizzie weba munio. Makaoka bagamu, if Lizzie weba munio. She believes that everybody is equal, and the true love is not about your background. Yakobo dojire fuyana ye, Lizzie mwama biato kwa sabisi, ay odikapa.